Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Classroom. You start with opening the browser. Now I'm opening my Google Chrome browser. Once Google Chrome is open, you come here on 9 dots. First of all, remember to sign in with your Google account. Then once you click here, you can see Google Workspace. Then you choose Google Classroom. For me, because I always use it, it is right here up. Then you wait a bit for Google Classroom to open. So here I'm seeing the Google Classroom I have created before, and I want to create a new Google Classroom. First of all, Google Classroom is online class where you can share with your learners activities, resources, and so on. You can also share with them assignment and quizzes. So to create a new Google Classroom, you come here on this plus sign. They are asking you two things. You want to join your class, or you want to create your own class. Today, let us create our own new class. We click here on create class. Then they give you this message, and you have to first accept Google terms. Then you go to continue. So our class is called Tech Class JB. It's an example of the class. We have the classes here. The section is primary. It's an example. Levels. We have here P6, for example. They are asking me the subject. Subject is SET and ICT. It is an example of the subject. Room, I have P6A, P6B, and P6C. This is an example of how we can set our class. Then once you finish these things, you click on next, and you wait a bit for the class to be created. So as you can see, the class is created. The name is here. I can customize the class to change the photo, or I upload mine. I can also change the color. Let me see the photos. There are photos in general, English, math and science, arts, sports, and others. So today let me choose here math and science, and I choose the right picture for me. Let me choose this one. Then I click select class theme. I choose this color, for example. Then I click on save. As you can see, the header of the class, the photo is coming here. You can also design yours. We see it in other lessons we shall study. Then you can see here the code, the class code. It means that when you give someone the class code, the person can join the class as a student. You can also change it. Once you change it here, you click on reset class code. For example, when I do like this, they can give me another class code. How can you share the class, or how can you ask the students to enter or to join your class? Before we reach there are things you have to talk about here. As you can see, there is stream. In stream, you can write the announcement to your students. There is also classwork, where you can add the class. The classwork, as you can see, there is assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post, topic, and so on. So assignment is where you can add the assignment, and the quizzes is where you can add quizzes. We shall see them in the next video. So here, when you click on people, as you can see, there are two sections. There's a section of teachers and a section of students. You can invite students to enter or join your class by clicking here. Once you click here on the student icon, you can be allowed to write the email of a student here. And once you write the email of a student here, that student can get invitation on email. You can also share the link to the students. Once they click on it, they can join as students. You can also add teachers here. Once you click here and you add an email of a teacher, the teacher can get invitation on email. Another thing you can do here, when you come to this icon, settings, and scroll down this way, you can see a link, invitation link. Once you copy this link and you share it to someone, that person can enter the class as a teacher. As you can see here, manage invitation codes. Settings apply to both invitation links and class codes. So here, invitation is now on. You can also allow students to share comments in the classroom. As you can see, here up that the code, the link and the class, and you can see the class password. So once you send this one, a person can join the class easily. So as you can see here also, there is class view, where you can allow learners to see the code in the class. When you go down here, you can see other options like show overall mark to students. You can open this one, like here, total points, like this one. You can open and you save here. Here you can allow the learners to see the marks after submission of their work. Okay, when you come here to marks, when you have given the students assignment or quizzes and they submit, you can see their marks here. So we'll see it in the next lesson. So this is how you can simply create Google Classroom. I remind you that is a virtual class online where you can share the quizzes, assignment, and materials. So it is a good class for your students, and you can manage it at any time, and the students can join and do the work easily. So that is how you can simply create the class. in Google Classroom. It is free of charge, no money, no coding skills, to just drag and drop, and also simple settings. So you can also add the work from your Google Drive like this. Once you click like this one, you can be allowed to enter in your Drive, and you can pick there the material for your students. So that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for this lesson. See you next time on the next lesson. Goodbye. See you again.